In the year to March 2024, homelessness in Wales reached its highest level since 2015, up 8% in a year. The latest homelessness statistics in Wales for September, released last month, show both an increase in the number of individuals in temporary accommodation, 11,363, including 2,874 children, and an increase in individuals sleeping rough throughout Wales, both higher than at the same time the previous year, with 31% in bed and breakfast and hotels. In September, the Bevan Foundation said 1 in every 215 households and 6 in every 1,000 children now live in temporary accommodation in Wales. The cost of temporary accommodation in Wales has more than doubled since 2021, rising from over £41 million to over £99 million in the 2023-24 financial year. Based on the average construction cost of £250,000 per unit, this could build nearly 400 additional homes.